A 73 years old African American from Michigan asked me through an email how to create TikTok videos using his own voiceover and his poetry. So basically these are poetry videos that he wants to create and upload on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and maybe YouTube Shorts. So let's get started and know how to create poetry videos using CapCut. By the way, I have replied to this email, but I'm gonna create a video so that other people will also get to know how to create such videos. So the first important thing is to write poetry. I have written this poetry with the help of ChatGPT because I'm not a poet. Then open CapCut. And here, first thing you need to do is to go to this tiny icon. This is voiceover. Just go to this option and choose your microphone from the drop-down list if you have multiple microphones. Otherwise, the default gonna be there. And here you can set the volume and then echo and mute the project or whatever the project is here on the timeline. I don't have any project, so I'm gonna open this recorder here. Now, 3, 2, 1. All right, the recording has been started. And now I'm gonna go to open my file and read this poetry because this is my voiceover. I don't need loud words to love you. If love has a shape, it is the calm I feel when you are here. Alright, so the voiceover is done. Now just press Command B or Control B to trim this part, or simply drag these corners to trim the unnecessary recording like this, or simply you can click on the video and here is the trim option like this. So just hit delete on unnecessary voiceovers, bring these voiceovers in the beginning, and if you play 2, 3, let's go. I don't need loud words to love you. I just need your presence near me. And now you just go to these 3 dots and increase the height so that you can see the volume and make it tall. Now select the clips, both of them, and here you can increase the volume like so. Now it's speaking to the red area, just leave it there. Now what you need to do, just go to text, add captions, and here you can choose different languages. Instead of English, you can choose many other languages that are available in the drop-down list, and you can also choose bilingual. I'm gonna choose English because my content is in English. Now generate these auto captions. Now go to ratio and choose 9:16 instead of 16:9. These all auto captions are selected now. So stay on any of the auto captions like this and bring it in the center like that. First, we need to choose a background, and that background should represent the theme of your poetry. You can import any background here by going to import, and you can import a picture if you have or a video if you already have. If you don't have, then simply go to this library button. Let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And this one is already added to my timeline. You can increase and decrease the length of this video. Now what you need to do, just hold these corners and enlarge this picture to the entire frame. Now it is here. If you go there, you can see your text clearly. Now select all the text layer like this and bring the text inside like so. Now go to text and choose the font of your choice. In this example, I'm gonna use this modern. You can use any of them. It looks more visible. Now go to the setting area here and do the basic settings. For example, scale down or scale up. Then add a little bit of stroke so that it's visible throughout the video. If you want to choose a background, you can choose a background and increase and decrease the opacity here like so. And here you can also choose the color of your background like that. Here you can play with the height, width, and offset. It's a normal thing, and add some shadows like so. And if you want to add some glow effect, you can add, and here you can choose the color of that glow like that, or choose any color. Now you are good to go. Here, go to caption and see if there is any mistake. You can edit these captions here. If everything is alright, just go to animation, and here you can choose tons of the animations for captions. Select all of them, go to animation, choose all. We selected this animation. here you can increase and decrease the duration of your animation. This is just in animation. Whenever the text is coming in, how it will appear. For the out, you can choose another animation like so, and you can increase and decrease the duration as well. If you don't want to choose in and out, just go to loop. It's for both in and out animations. So you can choose any of them. Now, if you play your video, it will look like that. 1, 2, 3, let's go. I don't need here it's going beyond the borders, so make it smaller. Now, all the text will be smaller because here you selected apply to all. If you just want to make some of the text shorter, some of the text bigger, then just uncheck this option. Now, if you just play with only this one will be increased, not all the text. So you can increase step by step like so and place it anywhere. For example, the first one is here, the second one is a little bit down, the third one bigger and downside. That's it. Our video is ready. But what if you want to add some background music to this video? For that, you don't need to go to audio and get the music here because it has copyrights. So your monetized channel will not earn anything. For that, go to YouTube Studio. Now go to Creator Music and now click on Free, and here you can search any music. For example, poetry. Here you can play the music. If it suits your needs, then you can download and use this music. Once you're satisfied with the song, just go to download option. Download. It's already downloaded here. Here is the sound. Just drag it to CapCut. Place it here. Trim the starting and ending point. And here you see a little small dot. Just bring it to the right side. It means fade in. Choose the beats you don't want. And here, click on the music. Go to cut. Delete this part. And here you see a little dot at this side as well. It means fade out. Just bring this dot to the left side and you are good to go. Now if I play, if love has a shape. But you notice that the background music is too loud. Just click on the audio track. Now go to decrease the volume up to around 22 to 28 dB in minus. So now everything is alright. In your smile, I find my home. If love has a shape, it is the calm I feel when you are here. That's it. Go to export, rename your video. You can choose any quality, 1080p, 722K, 4K, it's on you. Choose 24 frames per second and export. So here is our video. 1, 2, 3, let's go. I don't need loud words to love you. You see these auto captions as well here because I exported SRT file when I was exporting in CapCut. So if you want to export this file, you can also export SRT file. These are auto captions you can separately upload on YouTube. So your video is ready to be uploaded. Subscribe if you like. See you next time. Bye.